So you want to program a smart key for your 2015-2016 Chevy Tahoe, even if all keys are lost? Here's what you need to know. These Tahoes use an immobilizer system to prevent theft, meaning the car won't start without a recognized key. The body control module, BCM, stores key codes and talks to the engine control module, ECM. Programming involves accessing these modules via the OBD2 port. Blank keys with compatible encrypted transponders, 46-bit or 80-bit chips, are required. In an all keys lost scenario, you'll need to erase the old codes and reprogram from scratch. While dealers used to be the only option, affordable aftermarket tools like the Autel Maxi IM 608 or Launch X431 Pros V Plus now support BCM ECM reprogramming for these models, making DIY possible. Remember, this is a cryptographic process where the tool deciphers the BCM's security to add or reset keys. Here's a simplified DIY process for programming a smart key on a 2015-2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. First, get a blank compatible key that matches your vehicle's requirements. Second, connect a compatible scanner like Autel or Launch to the OBD2 port under the dashboard. Third, use the scanner's software to enter programming mode, carefully following the on-screen instructions. Fourth, cycle the ignition as prompted to synchronize the new key with the vehicle's systems. Fifth, thoroughly test the key's functionality by starting the vehicle and verifying all features work. Now, important considerations for this process. Proof of ownership is generally required to prevent unauthorized access. For all keys lost situations, a virginization step resets the BCM's key memory. DIY methods save money with tool costs of $300 to $800 compared to dealer fees. However, it carries risks as cheap tools can damage the BCM, requiring costly replacements. Always use quality tools and follow instructions carefully to avoid issues. If you're not comfortable with the process, seek professional help. While DIY success rates are improving, failures can lead to no-start conditions needing dealer intervention.